I just need you to stay here with me in the cold night to heal me anytime I touch even just your voice. If it's you, then all okay. I just need your presence. I just need you to hug me with your deep voice around my ears, to hold my hands with the sound of your words, to calm me down when an angel starts to build. I need your presence. The smile of you appears in my head when the evening comes. A melody of sad flowers drawing them to tide. I need you like I need my blue. And when it strikes at 12 I cry to you. I just need you to hug for me while I'm asleep, to say something